Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, so tap on the gear icon and then scroll all the way down to find system and update, so again the option with gear icon. Now we have to tap on the third option, so language and input, and tap on the first option, language and region. So if you've got your language listed right here, all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and then your device will immediately apply it as a default system language. If not, simply tap on this blue option here, which will transfer us to the full list of available languages, and here simply scroll and find the language which you'd like to apply. So for example, this one. Then let's tap on this option on the right, which will change the language, and as you can see now we've got a new language set as a default one. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on this option here in the right upper corner, mark the languages that you'd like to delete, and tap on this trash bin icon here. Tap on OK, and as you can see we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.